Yeah, I got that. He was lean.
You're on the fender flare. You're gonna smack the ball off the antenna probably. Yeah, you gotta get used to that thing.
I think we're having a nice couple of rock rashes on here. Took out the light.
Took out the light?
No, we still got it.
Oh, good. You're wedged on the right side.
I got that.
They come up higher?
I don't know.
Well,
I don't know how much tip sideways you get.
Hey, Michael, can you go up along the side and try to get through?
Right here.
He's gonna try it. That's a nice flex shot right there.
Oh, okay.
It's a nice flex shot.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, you're about to come down. And up.
What's our tip over point?
I don't know, but you're getting close. You're coming down, so you're doing a lot better. You're gonna go up a little more on your right, just a little. You're real close to your tip over right there. I think you got it though.
You're about to start coming down?
You're gonna be staying about that right there, but your back tire is gonna start coming down. You're gonna make contact. Yeah. If you back up a little and go up a little, you might make it.
Trying to get into a different shot here.
There you go. A little more, yeah, about right there. You're gonna tip a little more.
Okay.
The back tire is gonna start falling back. Oh. Keep going. Start straightening out once you clear. Okay, start going back just a little bit because you're going to have this part right here. Yeah, start turning this way. There you go. Yep, turn this way. Keep turning harder. Keep. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Keep going. All right, you can turn right when you're ready. Not too much, about right there is good. Just bumper right. Very nice.